catch us a wahunu.
I also wuni.
Minya musano, Timinim.
On my uni.
What's
I see you now that a forest commission. And you maybe walk come in Yana a Shimasuka.
I am Minerals Commission now, Forest Commission.
No, a forest commission. You're no Kushia, you know. Minerals commission. Minerals
I see.
Papa is in your can and you. Share. Enrano. No one can be say. What can I be say after the blaming the ma or what is it?
My entire kakra. My entire kakra. More fun to Sunny and Jenny kakra.
We should forget about the issue. Because the problem issue to anybody to mine a water body. So in the first place, anybody who goes to the water body to go and mine is engaged in a criminal activity. We need to be clear about that. He's engaged in a criminal activity. We have reported severally that behind Inyam police station, people are doing stuff there which we have not permitted. So how come that the police is not taking action to assist? Do I need arms to go and evict galamsey people behind the police station? And neither Minkom did not recommend police station. I don't need arms to go into private building. That is somebody else's job. Take me on persons you have issued licenses and are not doing the right thing, which I'm saying is also part of the galamsey thing. Until we put money in geological investigations and adopt a more aggressive approach in investigating all these several thousands of blocks that Minerals Commission has designated as blockade areas, with the view to investigating them and then defining all bodies so that we give it out to the small scale miners, then we should forget about the issue, because the problem will not go away. So if you ask me, one radical approach, one aggressive approach is that what we've not done well or what we have joked with for the last 30 years is what we have to do now. That we have to take money, give it to geological survey. I said some pilots are being done, Bonfa, Block, Dungo, and Newtown, but it's just a drop in the ocean. Looking at the 13 regions we have to.
Let me say, you see, do you have an idea how much we will need for that geological survey?
Even if you ask me, anything around $10 million. Trust me, if you release a lot of money now, in the next 6 months, you start seeing areas that we can be licensing. Because what is causing the haphazard digging? Trial your error. You dig everywhere. So
okay. Asante. Utie Papa Noah. He is almost like taking himself out.
You're taking responsibility.
Say, license nominate and or say obi consumer is an illegality. You man a man a license. Say obi any license. Na enyinam police station achia. Enyo ono na was woko. I'm armed men. Eko enyinam police station achi. You will be responsibility.
So who said your nipa ne ye no. Itiamra. Say na person waka.
He wants to tell them say enyinam police station achi. Omo ma obi a license. Enti nipa no no enyinam police for no omu hunu nana.
Okay.
So also cast a commander no.
I want no yawe the make say say wo fie. Asoya wutima wo de ebo oman ho bra. Na obi betu dan atoagu. Na wo ye commander wo say unya order from above and I say for Mineral Commission.
Entuma na
atoagu. E na me so menti ase no.
Na uni ha. Uni Ghana ha. E na Chimota Forest. Enkofo bo wura mu a. Efe wura say omo ba wura mu dia yemfa half ma wo mu.
What be that? Wo gwan na wo na
japa. Meba. Ye Ghana na wo. E na Chimota Forest. Enkofo ebo wura mu a. Efe wura Chimota Forest ye dia no. Was it 225 acres no there? Yeah. Omo nwura mu bio. Na de aka no, omo nwura. Wow, do fear no be two wall inside your wall. Now here. O say na say tell you what dey to. Never dey aka no na dey aka mo ban.
Eh onye ne dia.
Eh o memo ha na see here.
Say ni panya asase nye ne dia.
Say yes abusia pani yes one hwe so.
O nye ne dia. Say nke ono na say ase pa e dey ja no say ono ne
ni ma Ghana japade ye di German pani so one hwe so. yetimi reserve a section of Achimota Forest.
Oh my, indeed.
Yana said, John, 5 acres. I would Japadia, a bay assemno. One more munya be what it was.
Oh my, the Matthew Bakone say, going for a LI 2462 no.
Say if what table so munya. I think Attorney General has made a statement, said they are waiting for Parliament.
Who say, Penny so, Sana me who say, baby,
sure, say, yeah, Omunko, yes, and she said, so, Asante, and it's almost 2019, na me kase. It's the bar in the public dream. Say that time now, Bujana Ponya, David, no, and yet. Why are they lands a ye? On over 200 cry. Okay. Was it Amewu or who? Amewu. It's the bar with me table Sam Rawi. And the quantum Rasebeja for no more. You see, yeah, can be say ya. Now NDC MPs sometimes they behave like they are not part of it. Bibi say bar for political expediency. Now NDC MPs no IID. They were part of the 275. Mukoye LI 246. NPP, NDC MPs, Emma Krata or Hansard Match say they spoke against it. Emma Yomu passed it, they walked out. What TV or Ghana?
Sam Rano cried November 2022. Satama na Parliament no cry boss one. And Omuji said 246.
But it went there 2019. But 2022, 137, 137. Who got you two more?
Yeah, because 2019 sat an MPP or majority, but
yes, but Emrana pass it. 137, 137. NDC MPs, you always they behave as if you were able to sit and allow this to happen. You are the opposition. You are supposed to check government. Sabino ashipun in crop for online. Somebody to be stop where Japan. I don't know where man stop it. Okay. What did they make us? And you sat and allowed this to happen. You are in opposition. Because government in power there, they will ship their MPs in line. Now the woman fought a young cause a ego. California tanko. Woman calls a Jubilee House by we don't have shipping line. They were shipped in line. But who are we opposition? No. How was that strength 137? No. Yantuaba ewo mrawe so. Yanti say yetwaba. Yanti say mo kasa yes mo correct na mo pleso. Ma forest reserve because Abambabi akama Ghana for say mo nyina mo come no tum you are complicit. MPs are in the galamsey business. Mo yeah. I'm not talking about small scale. Make galamsey. Illegal no MPs ni bi wom.
Yeah, na galamsey ni small scale no. It's just a matter of phonetics. A difference being
difference
means of operation there. Excavator ya near the sensors.
Azanti. No. Galamsey no. The minimum say illegal. Small scale is legalized.
Oh my. Any young character mu ni
adebio. Say nipa no adwuma oye no ni operations no etra the Minerals Commission ashe no ana abe illegal na galamsey. But until say oye na adwuma say the oye no small scale.
Oh my dear, make no pa bi say.
Let's not demonize small scale, Asante.
Oh my demonizing no but means of operation
say you're careful.
Means of operation.
I agree with you. But if you are not careful, we would demonize small scale mining. Man, I have to say, a woodie. A bima small scale mining na uko potemwa. Oma reclaim lands. Oma dia and many are there. A near my kosu kama. Omo ya mambo foni isiono. You see, let's deal with those in the water bodies. See, I'm any and ko omo because obia yaman concession war asasiso.
As I say, percent
so and your forest LI 2462. It was said by the close of this weekend. Babin to be fair for emergency. There should be an emergency. Every member of parliament should move into parliament. And then I make me feel said TUC for Timmy.
Their line of argument, you know.
TUC me feel say Asante. Say see they also more many brainy parliamentarians. Oma yi parliamentarians no aso mo ne nanado kwa na enya nanado emre okase yenko ye wadwuma kra parliament ne be
and wonka
omo ma jack parliament for omo to
omo mfam na ne sanko na yenye emergency settings see
I was said by the close of day majority leader and minority nyina no omo ko hu abambabe na babe and release say there is a recall every MP should come to parliament by Friday I was so omo repeal samra no na omo ye wi a and mama Akufo-Addo to me so betimi Akufo-Addo to me fana no you see what they are not understanding is this Yasembra o mra sebedwafie Akufo-Addo to me fana no when Akufo-Addo banned galamsey or parliament koji to me wan koji to me anything no munya to me no mano na anka say it is no more law and it's Akufo-Addo say wa bane ba ye emra na e wo ho no obi betim de nanado akokot
say na make say omo wo forest omo tu omo galamsey na so omo mine no
ana na ye to say the answer
at the moment no illegal say
emotions ni ade ya adwuma no let's take away the emotions omo mama sebedwafo nko back li 246 amankofo bitimi ko parliament na ye di reserve you know as a matter of agency say executive fiat nanado issue is it in accordance with law he cannot by his own say president you know ban
obi kwa de be court anko boss
when we were even dying COVID one famra emra nkomra
so many executive instruments to buy
I was said they should recall parliament should be recalled
o my ade ba ku bia me
never be abu am call recall am ko sia kra my
o my nemonimu ye nsema ye dia to join up here no the processes must be followed first of all Babin must be notified say ye we mpo na nka even fence ankran mre bi na omode konsa ho social whatever mre bi na omode ko say ye Ghana for say nemonimu ya no munkonko hia mo yen Ghana for say the money parliament konkohia na omonye sa repeal no at the moment na emwa ma ye forest no ho nto ye metena ho ema amanfo mowura forest some forest bi wakwa na ye de ama ankrankra bi kwa na aye mo concessions ba amanfo de mrasho mu nsem abo awura mu na de mibusa no pese ya se ko ba say ye repeal a omonya bebi say achemota beka hu ana hono nku na wenku
say forest reserve the way no there executive instrument for no omode achemota de no
ene hoso hu
eno ye executive instrument
eno so hu yan
eno ye EI
omoye we
ye LI
omoba amomra EI na so na achemota no because enka
the ba say see idea asante sa achemota de no omo reserve no back enye wonim de ntra ye dwi ho nyina real estate ofafa wana say adaya grofo abrogu ho no sesia no ja
and the whole no go area
credit that be UN
na me men dia na say no dia come TUC for no organized labor say the internal rift and as a fashions now
say ebi so kire say the way to go
it's not the way they are going
they nyina akoba on the allegation still abi montri omo say bibia ko some hands money has exchange hands ni ade no still a bit more comfortable. Yes, sir. Penino Baku Beka say Nanado was sober this time when they met him. He was pleading with them. The normal Nanado who speaks with that authoritative no. We know a bread was it. Aquaba Kruba also Nanado have bread was via Nanado wa more time via. Oh, so you see, even among the same people who got to meeting now, Obia report is different.
But as it stands
and a certain group Sufi say this is not the way to go. So man conclude here. 10th on be call a strike. Ebi be kwa adwuma.
Okay. Well, because when you mfonso, wo kwa adwuma so anya mfonso.
They wo kwa adwuma
and also kwa strike anya mfonso.
Yes.
So which is which? There should be a way forward that.
But they should go in unison. Also no mo to aba nyina e wo utag for omo to aba ebi 80% ebi nobody. At the end of the day, utag for majority by then so mekani nyina bom no mo de communicate about Ghana Medical Association ka say not for the almost say almost twan yenko wait etino organized labor is ready for that.
We are already under punishment. Our illegal mining in Suna say and you one hammer ye deal at the moment ye nya reports among former won cry whatever ye nya dealing we say organized labor course there are another replication inside
because
obi
forest commission so almost can organize labor and omo de omo kan nti eso omo ntrafia se ne am ne galamsey no
enti no
omo boy kakra no ban no betrafia and that day no for about 3 days
and for the forest bear and
me masem ne say
they should be
I'm appealing to them say they should reconsider because the economic woes we find ourselves in,
at the moment
I can tell you say just a day shut down 2-3 days shut down one here I am recover asante ade na organized labor edi kan sa no who him say GPR2 for the kokobo kese enra omo de ama organized labor say omo twen wo omo by 10th omo nko so omo eco striker omo ya adwuma to say omo cast be say nya obia na oya organized labor eti no jadini a okodwom no ode ne be ko na mbom say omo twamu a tiemi o GPR2 forces say woman nim no mu twam say bia be reason be into your my study date cry on the 10th no they will organize their people no car will move in Ghana. That is the threat GPR2 forces so and no mo dey aba tuja utie it is a siano
the larger
say ya dey ahoma so aso leadership ne kon utie jumper
eniam bre
chese jumper as ya body pa
eniam bre what the jumper eniam bre
no but you can't fault him
so easy
if genuinely the one kono say
a good cause
obi anim one person galamsey any show say but people are reading a lot of meanings don't know
we know it has come back to
organized labor
supposedly divided fronts but yeah I mean they can say you are maniemu that galamsey we are galamsey how ho
it's quite a person so by going on strike it will push Nana to declare a state of emergency
no state of emergency there a process so run and you hear pan say that LI 2462 no immediate young in free now what the excavator our forest bia ni free asamba ko mo kema na me no mo nya adwene say okwa bi ti say chira no a omutu forest e no mo ye gala e mo de mining e no ye mining 2 ukwa ni monto asebe me hu forest bia reservoir ni monto bom even some of mukwana they have been given a law many and
what to say
standard
what Kenya say
adroba you say oko adroba me na nsase nyina so
what to say new month for sense you
me say oko adroba ye na nsase so na nsase
adroba yi
omaba aba Jesus omaba beji nsase ni nyina ho a omo ne akuafo ni di nkomo they are going through the process in duly but of course small scale man so say galamsey ya was say that wa so ye kwani na we ton na won ton na we to boss ye wa ka finfin wo kra wontimi nko wofom enti kwani wa na waso akoma dem ya obejim enti dey can say ma omo fa regulated mining no ama metoto sa small scale ni sa galamsey we see na minimum any try no na ada mining in India they are going through by the standards enti dey can say you can say yeah small scale man na say for reservoir ye ken ma ye nkuma omo ye se omo nkum no omo nkum dada na busa won say ni mont tu galamsey and omo tu mining any Israeli tu mining won say yensu bi ase
eno ni asem no
yensu be na ase
obo ase goldman ankobra pristia gold post no
offend
what is all my complaint
and that is what you should go by the right channel
so they shouldn't jam it together
because say channel to a forest reserve what to forest reserve and so bay and na channel our bebo yimba bi akwa sensu and yes re problem dey ahwa na baye how kase and panimfo mo a nya samra we na do wo de ono nya fam de say obehwe say mra no ye be free wo and on the Kobasa, we get some sympathy for the president. But say, well, me and free what we also continue to support the organized labor.
And to office organized labor calling a strike, no, it's not the way.
The process is you strike at the moment.
To come holding.
What year ran and
Yama 2 days.
Yama on Penny, 2-3 days, and 1 week ago say, Sam ran winning free war.
Samran when you ran free on there. And you all for us because they will send the police after you and the military
immediately.
Emranya jum ema kwan biwa untumi mine in the forest also
na mean Mr. Basana small scale so wetim dey buy na court
so there be o ya emra ema utumi ma court ye free obeda court
na say wo ma obi ai be investment na
We investment na emrani hobi wa emrano baka say wamana boka eti oni onko omuso for judgment debt eti dia anema na da hono nya de ketwa o wo ma me tumi se me koya adwuma me koya no Ghana man for nyina se empe the people's voice enti ye year free ho me so me fi say my rights have been infringed upon enti no me copy judgment debt enti omo authorities no wo tu na ogia ono so ko judgment debt court no nka se Ghana for nyina se wadi boni o enti no the enya sam kitwa na da wosa no enkwase asem pa na edi ya ye ko se mra we
this 8 parliament, no man.
This 8 parliament, 275 MPs, no. What dear, what na mama galamsey, and na you say, Obia come as nobody, because they enacted this law and gave people Minerals Commission for no so count 3. I said, even as we are talking. And no,
there are reports say,
and no, friend saying Husseini was alleging say about 10 DCs accord license.
Oh, okay. Me the name say GC. Me say yama be 10 companies be license.
Yes, DCs are involved. DCs be eka ho.
No, mind this
license.
Oh, mind say this year involved. Anya boni because abayi na get a legal job.
They make one thing.
No, why boni?
But this you should have a conscience. Somebody Ghana. Yeah, kasei. Who got license? Ekobose.
Na me say na nei. Enye bone say obi be call forest akwa say this is GBD a. Waje. The moment abe bone say yede mra na ba say
parliamentarians o ma di enya o.
Omanya de.
But nobody is talking about them.
Omanya de.
LI 2462 when the pass here. One more. What is the TUC grab of who? Nobody is talking about them. 2019 them rabai. You do 2022. Moya 137. Mako primra fu eso. Ama mafonye to me ako. Unim so almost started. Sa forest reserves and insurance started say because before 2021 2022 nakala koso elsune insurance say because insurance our forest nim. Miki Akwaba. Now what to say? What's happening in the world of sports?
Well, Black Stars are assembled at Accra and 11 players here training.
Yeah, in Sudan.
Yeah.
Biti Ade bi mami musa. Yeah, the cartel be amakosi apia say onyi ni home free.
Yeah.
Escrow and I say one because
accusing her from the
now I recuse you.
Yeah. Now okay, so the clarification is no why dada. Before see a ball against Angola. And
no, free.
Now wedding can come.
Because one coach.
Exactly, no way in who free.
Coach Apia na di Sudan for neighbor.
Yeah.
I say
I think say a man communicating and fan CAF. So CAF also wrote na Endra form
Ghana Football Association and communicated to CAF.
No, say Kwesi Apia nene so this Jumedi.
Or no the moment they mark CAF
anti sa communication and CAF also wrote and then Endra formally notify almost say he's out of the
to me, mama,
until the time
part of strict conflict.
Exactly. You're born in Yankopon Yadoma Thursday.
Monday, if you're sending a ball return level Libya.
I think it's Morocco.
Near 12.
Yeah.
Juweno AFCON.
Yeah, but Sudan for your mother drew Ghana that or Mamudin came back Black Stars team no. Initial 17 players.
Black Stars
Initial 17 players nearby. Nenra and watching so back so they have 25 players.
One say almost so no. Omuti krum how.
Yeah.
Omubo Al Hilal ni Al Walus ni Al Kalu ni Al Fono. It's the jail. The jail. And I could see up here so they football no be.
Yeah.
And I'm told there are some Ghanaian players.
Yeah, Ignatius Fosu.
Yes.
Yeah, coach.
I'm under 17 crowd.
They be near Niger.
And the Ghana for players go Niger. I no more. They Sudan.
They be
Sudan. The assistant coach.
Sudan your coaches.
Assistant coach.
Exactly, and a goalkeeper's trainer. Ghana for.
To Omunimi.
I know Juma. And
match where dice you. And I was here is a professional. I'm a ball through cow.
My young professional. I was here. Moja.
Ah.
Oh no.
I was happy on your day.
na obo be she Ghana wa ha
mo di mo
obetra ha
me busu ase
obi no aba betra Ghana
na me busu ase
so mo yan kwa ko won e boni o
ubo ba didi
me
say no ka me pepa
say obe ye yinsemu bia o say Angola for be ye
me ba did you even treat him well
your point you man that beto Nemo no Yakwesi Abia.
It what they are to is a professional. Beba.
Oni e bobo draw na we say
why just Serbian coach your friend say 2010 Milo
Van Rijn.
You say the club Yakwesi Abia e go to na opamo no.
Yeah.
I didn't come players ni more draw.
No, me see one heye.
Yakwesi Abia me say. Mo na mo hweye.
O heye say.
Wọ́n fẹ́ yẹ wọn kasa nkyɛn na nkyɛn no.
Sɛ ɔmo wɔ draw.
Ní ɔmo nyɛ bibi ma yɛnyɛ 3 points. Because yo ɔmo ɛhyɛ yɛ ma yankɔ afika bɛkɛ sɛ Kwesi Apia na ama yanko.
Na o yɛ ɔdwuma yɛ na hyɛ.
Na yɛ ɔdwuma yɛ na hyɛ. Ade Kwesi Apia Sudan fɔ na ni da no so. Ɔmo gyi ni di a. Wo na otua ne ka. Ɔne ne yire ne ne ma de ɔmo di yire ɔda Sudan.
Na sɛ na esco hɔ ni ntua ne ka.
Ɔma Ghana
esco. Na esco sika bi ne. Na wo sala
me say Kwesi Apia hwɛ yie.